is over. Hi, it's Blonde Kyiv, and today I'll bring you to the tank graveyard. Usually here entrance strictly prohibited, but today is an open day. So, let's go. And also today we celebrate Tankist Day in Ukraine. At the entrance you can see a board with the workers of the factory and a lot of military equipment. One minute of the history. In Soviet Union there has been a factory producing military equipment since 1935. And also there was modernization and repair of armed vehicles of Soviet production. Now on the territory there is a museum of military and labor glory. Inside you can see a lot of medals, Soviet attributes, statues, newspapers, documents, etc. about how this factory was working and photos from the working days there. Also, you can see different communistic slogans of that time. Being the first is our collective tradition, and motherland calls. It's a well-known fact that Ukraine was an active participant in World War II, being a part of Soviet Union, plus produced a lot of military equipment that time. Also you will see pictures, medals and flag with a description of tanks which took part in the World War II and liberation Kyiv, Moscow and other cities and Berlin operation. Today is an open day and of course have a concert here. But I came here to see and show you a tank graveyard. We name it like this because there are tons of tanks for good value. All tanks left here after Afgan war, and during Soviet times there was not money for repair them, so they are till today here. Now it's belong to the Ministry of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, and if you get there secretly, you probably will have problem with police. So I have no chance to get to the graveyard, but I have a chance to ride a tank. And now we have a tank ride. Да, а можно сверху, да?
Сверху залезть.
Я тоже сверху.
Да, а как заходить в танк? Понятно. Сюда или? А наверх это куда? Закроется дверь, да, я зайду?
Можно по...
Ага, хорошо.
Давайте.
Ой, спасибо большое. Ой, спасибочки. А сюда можно сесть? Ничего.
Дай ему посрать. Дима.
So I ask guys pick me up also. Thanks so much. They also gave me some stuff under my ass. Thankfully, I really appreciate it. Сейчас. Надо крепко держаться, да?
Да, крепко. Ну так, держи, чтобы ты чувствовала, что ты держишь.
Так, сейчас я рассказываю. Small instruction about the ride, and after we go.
Андрей, загни ту ручку, не держись.
I'm dressed perfectly for the ride. So much fun.
Як і це, да? От двері відкриті.
This place I get. Wow, this is my first time.
Саша, все?
By the way, in Kyiv there are a lot of private companies where you can have a tank ride. Price starts from $300. How lucky I am to have a free ride today. I think next time August or September 2021. Address in the description box down below.
Валим, валим, валим на БТРе. Офигительно.
So, the fun is over. Да, все. Так, сейчас я придумаю. А как тут слезть? Сейчас. А может, как ты там?
Ногу сюда.
Так, сейчас, секундочку.
Сними, Андрей. Подержи его. Давай.
Сейчас, секундочку. Сейчас. Ой,
Thanks again for this guy who helped me to get back to the ground.
I'm very...
Now I see some place where you can grab a bite. Here I feel like I'm back to Soviet Union. Good price and anti-COVID system. Let's check it out, this Soviet-style building and bathroom. Really, welcome back to USSR.
Let's follow this woman.
At the exit you can see "Thanks for the work." And I would like to say thank you for watching my videos. See you soon. Bye.